Hello beautiful people, welcome to Closet Confections TV. I'm your host Kendra and today I'm doing an unboxing. But seriously guys, I am excited because it has been almost 2 whole years since I bought myself a real handbag. And by real handbag, like I think I bought like maybe this little clutch from Zara, but other than that I have not bought a handbag. Can you believe that? So anyway, October is my birthday month, and as I was browsing online, as I am wont to do, I realized that a brand that I have been wanting to check out was having a fabulous sale, and it's still going on now at the time of me filming this video. So run, do not walk to Staud.clothing. I was going to say .com, but it's just Staud.clothing. So STAUD.clothing. And click on the handbag section, click on sale, and then you will have so many treats to choose from. So I picked out 2 handbags for myself. So I figured it's been 2 years since I bought a real handbag, I should get 2 bags. And so let me just quit talking and get to the good stuff. So this package arrived today and I was not expecting it. I ordered this like a few days ago, so end of last week I ordered it. So shipping time was pretty quick. It was less than a week for me to get this. And anyway, my doorbell rang. I was expecting an Amazon package and I got this instead, and I was like, oh, what is this? And I opened up the box, and as soon as I saw this, I was like, wait, I'm gonna wait and do an unboxing for you guys because I just really am excited. Wanted to get this for you guys to share my excitement because I have not looked at these handbags yet. So in any case, it came with this envelope, and it just has like my return and a note that says thank you for buying. And inside this big box, you'll see it comes wrapped in tissue paper, my 2 bags, and this is my return label. I've never done an unboxing, so the ones I've watched people get really detailed, but let me just forget the good part. Inside of this tissue paper is bag number 1. So each of the bags comes with its own little dust bag, which is very handy. I do like to keep my bags and shoes inside the dust bag as much as possible, unless I have them on display, like you see my shoes back here, which I should do a shoe tour for you guys. In any case, this dust bag here has goodie number 1. Dun, da, 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 da. Alright, so inside the dust bag we have another plastic bag, and this is the Staud. Edie is the style name, and it's in black, and this is what she looks like. So she is packed with tissue paper to help her hold her shape, little Miss Edie. And I'm just going to remove this styrofoam from the handle, and we have the bag, and you'll see the enclosure. So this bag, you can see how big it is. It's like roughly the size of my head. I have a big head. So the enclosure, it's not a zipper. It's this is calf leather. This is the black color, and you'll see a little bit of branding here, the Staud name. And then here, the enclosure, this is suede, and it has these 2 little leather kind of drawstring pulls. And so we open that up. Alright, and inside the bag we have the leather strap, some more paper, terrible for the environment but great for keeping my handbag shape. And I'm just going to undo the strap here. So we can see the strap is same black leather, and it has adjustable, I think there's like 4 hole punches in here to adjust. I'm 5'7", so I'll try to stand up and show you guys where this bag hits on me. Gold hardware. Let's see, and it kind of swirls around so you don't have to worry about the strap getting all tangled. And I'm just going to pop these in. Alright, and here we go. So this is it with the shoulder strap. So I love that you can just take these and just tuck that in and carry it by the handle like this, which is very on trend right now. People just carrying bags like that, but not really practical, especially if you're like me, you live in New York City and you're commuting on the subway. A shoulder strap is paramount. So this shoulder strap is actually quite long, which I like, so I can actually wear it as a crossbody. Alright, just wanted to quickly show you guys where this bag hits on my 5'7" frame. There are about 4 holes in the strap, and I think I have it on like the 2nd or the 3rd hole. So yeah, perfect. I can easily reach in and out. It's not too high up here, so very happy with that. I really like it. So I'll see if I can get in close. You can see the stitching it has along the top and on the handles as well. You can see that. The leather is very smooth. It's pretty soft. It doesn't feel too stiff, but this is a very structured bag, and it will definitely keep its shape. I hate handbags that sag. So I have some bucket bags, and the bottom, I don't know, they just kind of get floppy and stuff over time. So this will definitely hold its shape. The style of the bag, I feel like it's very on trend right now, but it's not like too trendy. Like I feel like I won't get sick of this. I can see myself carrying this for a few years. Like it's a pretty classic shape, but not boring, you know? So yeah, I'm very pleased with this. I really like it a lot. I think, yeah, I'm happy. And most importantly, I like small handbags, especially now that I have like a stroller to push and whatnot. And I can't always be dragging around a huge tote or all the stuff I used to carry with me. But I do like a bag that can fit at a minimum my DSLR camera. So this bag can fit my camera, it can fit my phone, it can fit my makeup bag, and yeah, overall I'm very pleased with this. Alright, I told you guys I had 2 goodies, right? So here is the next bag, and this is the one that I was very excited about. So I have seen this bag all over Instagram, all over Pinterest, and I've always wanted to try it myself. So this is another dust bag. Oh, there's a little bit of difference if you care about this. The dust bag for the Edie handbag is this like cotton, and this one is more of a silky kind of polyester fill material. So I don't really know why the difference, but just wanted to point that out to you guys. So this handbag is called, the Moreau bag. So the Moreau bag was like the it bag last summer, especially. So yeah, you know, I know I'm a little bit late to the game with this, but I don't know, with trends, I don't feel the need to like jump on them immediately. So I actually like to wait a bit. So I find if I find myself intrigued by a trend, and if a year passes or a few months pass and I'm still thinking about that item, even if it's not trendy anymore, I don't care. If I still like it, I like what I like. Whether it's in style or not, I like it. So with that being said, here's my bag. So it doesn't look like much. There's 2 parts to this bag. So once I assemble it, if you don't already know what this bag looks like, it's 2 pieces. So this is the outer shell, and this is the main like handbag part. So it kind of looks like a flower pot. So this color, I believe, is the saddle color, which is a nice sort of like tan leather, kind of cognac. This leather feels pretty good actually, and it has the contrast stitching, and the stitches are very straight, as you can see. Sometimes with like cheaper handbags. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys about the price. The best part. So I told you that these things were on sale. So the first handbag, the Edie, was originally $350, and I got it on sale for $105. Plus, if you're a first-time shopper and you sign up for the email list, you get an additional 15% off. So this bag here, the Moreau, which I will put it together and show you guys, this Moreau bag was initially $395, so almost $400, marked down to $118.50. So I got 2, you know, 100% leather, pretty good quality handbags for, I think in total with taxes and shipping was $243. So I don't think that's bad at all. Alright, so here is the beaded portion. This is the outside of the bag. So it comes with the Staud hang tag, and I really hope that I'm pronouncing this correctly. If I'm doing this whole video and it's like Staud or whatever, whatever. All right, so I'm going to remove the hang tag, and then what you do is you open this up, and it has these two leather handles, and it's sort of this like macrame shell, and it has these chocolate colored beads, which I thought add a little something. Like the bags I saw on Instagram were pretty much like this bag in either this color, or like there's a canvas color, especially for summer, and it had this brown leather on top, or even a clear bag. And they had this net but not the beads on it, so I thought the beads add a little bit something extra. So what you do is you take the bag and you put it inside of this macrame net like so, and here's your bag, and there we go. So I don't know if I should line this up any particular way. This looks good, I think. So yeah, so the inside of the bag, it does not have any sort of closure, so it's just open. So it is just an open bag, which is kind of a bummer. I do wish it had that little drawstring like the Edie bag had. But, and another thing is too, you can't carry it crossbody. So you're going to be having to like lug on your arm like this, which I feel like this bag is definitely like a little showpiece bag. It's definitely going to be a conversation piece. Like I also have that Cult Gaia, the straw bag, the one that looks like it's made of like bamboo or popsicle sticks, that was very popular. I love that bag, and every single time I wore it, even though it's like really trendy, people would stop and ask me about it all the time. I think sometimes, you know, being an influencer, being on YouTube all the time, being on Instagram, you get kind of jaded, like, if I wear that, everyone has that bag, or like everyone's gonna like know where it's from. It's gonna be so played out. But honestly, most of the population, I mean, unless you're in high school or something, I mean, then all bets are off. But most of the population, like, they're not so in tune to such things, like fashion wise. Like I have friends who have never heard of ASOS, have never shopped at Zara, so I don't let, you know, something you think it's a trend that you liked and it's kind of past its prime, don't let that stop you. And even if people did like kind of say like, that handbag is so old, I mean, that's kind of on them. So anyway, I just say that to say that I know this bag is technically in like the Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest world maybe played out, but I love it. So any case, here's the bag, super cute. I cannot wait to style this. At first I thought that I would have to wait until spring or summer next year to wear this bag, but when I was looking on Pinterest and looking on Google image search just for some like style inspiration and kind of get to see how other people were wearing this bag, I saw a lot of people wearing it with fall and like winter looks. So that got me thinking, I did an informal poll on like my Instagram stories. If you're not following me on the gram, please do. And the consensus was, I think like 60-70% of people agree that I can definitely wear this in the fall and winter. So I will be doing so. All right, so those are my goodies. I am so happy. I'm like beyond pleased with my purchases. I might even go back and get the Shirley bag, that's the one that's like the clear PVC with the leather sort of pouch on the inside. I've been eyeing that as well, and I might get that too because I think they're like $70 or something ridiculous, marked down from like $200 or $300. So can't really go wrong with that, right? All right guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. As always, I will put links down below so that you can purchase these items, and like I said, go now so you can get them on sale. All right, and until next time guys, bye. Whoa, I forgot to tell you guys about my outfit because I know I'm going to get questions about that. So today, if you can't tell, I'm a big fan of pearls. If you watched some of my videos before, I love pearls, have loved them for years. And so when I saw this top at H&M, I had to get it. So this was a recent purchase. It was $19.99 and I love it. It has pearls and like these big oversized sleeves. I bought an extra large just so it can be baggy and cover my bootay when I wear leggings. And I also have this this pearl headband, which is sort of like a Lily Sadoe knockoff. Shh, don't tell her. I got this one on Etsy. The Lily Sadoe headbands I've been looking at, but I just could not bring myself to spend like almost $200 on a headband. So I got this one on Etsy and I really like it a lot. So I will link that one as well. And then these earrings are like pearl hoops that I got on Amazon. So truth be told, these are not the best quality. The headband is great, but these earrings from Amazon, not the best quality. So this is my second pair. The first pair, one of the earrings was like garbage and like broke within a week. So I bought a second pair of earrings, and these have been holding on pretty strong. I had to add backs to the earrings because what they came with like just kept popping off. So, you know, you get what you pay for. But in any case, that is all, guys, for real this time. And until next time, take care and stay fabulous.